Hey guys, it's Jared with TechToyTV, and this is our second video in a three-part series taking a look at the August smart home product line. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Doorbell Cam Pro. Stay tuned. So we have the Door Cam Pro here. Let's unbox this and see what's included. All right, it's really in there. Whee! Again, very nice solid box as you saw with the August Smart Lock. I really like their packaging. It feels very high quality, very nice, very reminiscent of an Apple product. So we'll open that up and we have a welcome packet. You have the wedge mount for the doorbell cam so that you can angle it if your doorbell sits at a particular angle so the camera can have its best view. You also have screw mounts and whatever this is. I'm not entirely sure.
But we'll figure it out as we install it. That's one of the lovely things about unboxing something that you've never seen before.
Then you have the Doorbell Cam Pro. Some of you have seen this previously. This is the second generation. This includes a floodlight as well as some better video quality. And it's it doesn't look as big in person as it does when you see the product photos of this. I thought it was going to be much bigger, but you can see you just press there for your doorbell. This is the mount that you put on to connect to your electricity, USB cable, and then this is the dock so you can charge the doorbell so you can set it up before actually installing it on your house. All right, so let's take this, install it, and see how it works.
Installation for my situation was a bit more difficult than expected. For reference, I live in an almost 70-year-old home, and my doorbell system was non-functioning. I hired an electrician to replace the electrical transformer, the wiring, and the doorbell chime. However, this is not typical, and if you have an existing doorbell that is functioning properly, installation would be a breeze.
First and foremost, let's show you the video and audio quality of the August Doorbell Cam Pro. This is the audio and video of the August Doorbell Cam Pro at night. And this is video and audio from the August Doorbell Cam Pro during the daytime. Next, let's show you notifications when someone rings the doorbell, as well as how you can unlock your August Smart Lock with your August Doorbell Cam Pro.
Hi, would you like to buy some Girl Scout cookies?
No thanks, I'm all good on the cookies. Bye. I forgot my keys.
Okay, I'll let you in. Just a second. All right, so I know a lot of you are wondering about the technical specs of the August Doorbell Cam Pro, so let's take a look at those now.
The August Doorbell Cam is currently $199 and comes in both a silver and dark gray color. A hardwired installation is required. The August Doorbell Cam Pro is not a wireless device. The camera provides a 120-degree field of view so you can see everyone at your front door. It also provides motion alerts so that you know when someone is approaching your front door, even if they don't ring the doorbell itself. The camera in the August Doorbell Cam Pro is an HD camera so that all of your videos are clear and crisp. It also provides a on-demand streaming from your August app so you can see what's happening at your doorstep anytime, anywhere. Free 24-hour video recording is included. You can review all of your videos for up to 24 hours for free with the basic video recording subscription. Hindsight constantly monitors your doorway and will capture the moments leading up to a motion alert so that you see all of the action before it even starts. Full color HD video at night is one of the things that sets the August Door Cam Pro apart from its competitors. Instead of infrared nighttime video, the August Doorbell Cam has a built-in floodlight that delivers clear, full-color HD video even at night. It's of course compatible with both the iOS and Android August app, and it seamlessly integrates with both and Nest.
So that's our look at the August Doorbell Cam Pro. If you have one, let us know what you think in the comments down below. I think the August Doorbell Cam Pro is a great choice for a smart doorbell, especially if you already are in the August ecosystem and own an August smart lock. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit us with a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. And to stay up to date whenever we upload future videos to TechToyTV, hit that bell icon down below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. At the August Doorbell Cam Pro. Know your product name. Doorbell Cam Pro.
Thanks for watching and checking out TechToyTV. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to share and hit that like button. To stay in the loop for future videos, click the subscribe button. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Till next time.